Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into how to enable contacts syncing on Discord, ensuring you never miss connecting with your friends. So, let's get started. First, launch the Discord app on your phone. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your home screen, ready to explore all the social features Discord offers. Next, we need to access your user settings. To do this, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu where you can customize your account to your liking. Now, scroll down until you find Privacy and Safety. This section is crucial for managing how you interact with others on the platform. Tap on it to reveal your privacy options. Here's where it gets important. Look for the Sync Contacts option in the list. This feature allows you to connect your phone's contact list with your Discord account. If this is something you want, make sure it's toggled on. However, if you're raising an eyebrow at this feature and decide you want to keep your contacts private, simply toggle it off. And that's it. You've learned how to enable and manage contacts syncing on Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy chatting!